I know that I'm going to absolutely, begin from now to live life the best I absolutely can. I'm really excited for the future. And my business, I'm so excited for the possibilities that are there for my business. I feel honestly 10 out of 10 guaranteed results with Creatrix. That's pretty exciting, eh? Not feeling good enough affects my life in a big way, and I think that it is something that has started for me like as a little kid. Just always, in my life, feeling like I wasn't good enough for most things. It's actually been quite debilitating for me. I think it's held me back from probably being as successful as I could be. Feeling like a fraud impacts my life quite significantly. Firstly, it can actually stop me from taking on pieces of work, and I'll gladly sort of maybe refer someone else because I think I can't do it. And I do worry that it affects my daughter as well. I don't think I actually see myself as other people see me. I see myself in a far worse light. I feel so energized and excited. Wow, really blessed. Feeling like a fraud is zero to me now. I know I've got what it takes. I know I'm meant to be here. I don't doubt myself and my abilities at all. It just blows me away. Now, I know that I'm not going to fall back into those same patterns again, because I actually truly believe my self-worth. I am good enough. I am enough. And for the possibilities that I have of really, really, truly making a difference for other women, that really excites me. I've done a lot of different courses over the years. Some were more business focused, some very much on personal development. I've never done anything like this. For one, look at the results that I've got in 1 week. And I know that those results are going to be long lasting. Honestly, I'd pay double or triple or more than that if I really, if I had to, knowing the results that I've got now. Seriously, it's priceless. I couldn't put a price on that, and I know that I'm going to reap that just tenfold in the next, year or so. Yeah, I really know that. If you are considering this course and there's any doubt whatsoever in your mind, get rid of it. It's the real deal, seriously. Really ask yourself, what does it cost you so far to hang on to that shit? And what's it going to cost you if you keep it? Honestly, it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer, just do it. Just do it. It will be the best thing that you've ever done in your life.